The holidays are right around the corner, and health experts are encouraging caution as families start to gather.
Historically, winter has been the time COVID spreads the most. Take a look at this data from the Arizona Department of Health Services. In the fall of 2020, between November and January, there were more than 521,000 cases during the peak.
At the same time, in 2021, there were more than 770,000 cases. During 2022, though, that number fell to 141,000 cases in the winter months. Vaccines played a big role in the decrease. Overall, this year, COVID is down. The Arizona Department of Health Services reported more than 142,000 cases this year.
Those numbers are from the start of the year through the first half of November. That's a fraction of almost 1 million cases in the state in 2022. Alexandria Cullen has the outlook from our Washington bureau.
On the COVID front, there's good news. Infections are way down this fall.
We are very well below the 3-year average at a 74% decrease as of the 3-year average.
And there's bad news. Vaccinations are way down too.
So few people are getting this new booster that is specifically targeting the new circulating strains of the Omicron virus.
Nearly 4 years after the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, Arizona and the nation may finally be living in a new normal as coronavirus cases continue to fall. But experts fear that COVID fatigue may lead people to take it for granted.
There's a bit of COVID fatigue out there, but I think the best medical advice that we can give people for their health is to go ahead and get fully vaccinated based on the current recommendations.
Vaccines are not the only way you can prevent COVID and other illnesses from rising.
Staying at home when you're sick to protect others, to protect people who are vulnerable, older Arizonans, as well as those who may have a condition.
It's not just Arizona. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reported just over 1,000 COVID deaths in the first week of November, compared to nearly 25,000 deaths a week at the peak of the pandemic. In Washington, Alexandria Cullen, Cronkite News.